So if you want to slow down a video on your iPhone, you're in the right place. And in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to slow down any video using the built-in Photos app. No extra apps needed. On my hand, this is iPhone 17 Pro running with latest iOS 26.4. What iPhone model are you using? Drop it in the comments below. Now, let's get started. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Now find and select the video you want to slow down. Once you open it, tap on the three-line icon next to the info symbol to open the video editing screen. At the top, you'll see playback speed options like 100% and 50%, along with frame rate indicators such as 60 frames per second or 30 frames per second. At the bottom, you can choose which part of the video you want to slow down. For example, if you want to slow the middle section, drag the sliders to set the start and end points of that portion. Once you've selected the section, tap the play button to preview the effect. This will show you how the slow motion looks on that specific part of the video. One limitation is that you can't apply slow motion to multiple sections within the same video. For that, you'll need to use a third-party video editing app. After you're done editing, tap the Done button to save your changes. And that's it. Your video is now slowed down. So yeah, that's how you can slow down a video on iPhone easily. If this video helped you, go ahead and drop a comment below and let me know. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.